Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change a friend's name in your Instagram chat. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main feed, tap on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen. You'll now see a list of all your previous chats. Scroll through the list and tap on the conversation with the person whose name you want to change. When you're in the chat, tap on their name or profile picture at the top of the screen. This will take you to their profile details or chat settings. Next, look for the option labeled Nicknames and tap on it. Here, you'll see both your name and your friend's name. To change your friend's name, simply tap on their name. A pop-up screen will appear. Now, delete the current name and type in the new one you'd like to use. Once you've entered the new name, tap Done to save the changes. Finally, go back to your chat list, and you'll see the updated name reflected in your conversation list and the chat header. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.